If you are getting off, your device is having trouble communicating with the server right now on DLS 26 on your iPhone. It's usually caused by network issues, server downtime, or apps glitches. Here how to fix it step by step. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. Firstly, check your internet connection. Open a browser to your choice. Type internet speed test. Wait for a moment to test your internet speed. If your internet is weak, then swipe down from top. Turn airplane mode on. Wait for 10 to 20 seconds. Then turn it off. Now, go to settings on your iPhone. Scroll down a little and tap General. Again scroll down and tap Background App Refresh. Tap Background App Refresh. Tap Wi-Fi and Mobile Data. Again go to settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find DLS 26. Tap Upload App. Again tap Upload and tap Reinstall. If reinstalling still loading, then clear background apps on your iPhone and go to Settings. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your code and reset. That's it. Now go back to your game and play. This is how you quickly and easily fix your connection error on DLS 26 on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.